Hi, it's Parker Hendricks at Raiden Dynamics, coming to you today, October 21st, 2025, 2:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just to say, first of all, hello, how you doing? Hope your day is absolutely fantastic. Secondly, wanted to kind of talk about some pain points that are happening in manufacturing. One in particular that we just all need to be aware of, and I'll make this very quick. But number one, by all accounts, is tariff uncertainty and global trade instability. Number two, cybersecurity threats. This is something I do have a little bit more input to. We're going to come back around to that one. Labor shortages and talent retention also can be affected by what we do in a positive manner. Supply chain disruptions and rising costs also can be helped by what we do. System integration and legacy equipment challenges. That is in essence exactly what we do. We integrate systems and help you get rid of those legacy systems and move forward in a more efficient way. But today I wanted to talk very briefly about cybersecurity. This is something that is near and dear to my heart. Cyber attacks have certainly surged big time. It's been on the rise since 2023, certainly happening before that, but in regard to manufacturing in a major way. In 2024, I'm reading right now, 41% of all cyber incidents targeted manufacturing. In 2025, we're up into the 70% mark. And the scary part is that most of these cyber attacks aren't hitting who you think. They are hitting a lot of folks that you hear about in the news. These are publicly traded companies, so you're going to hear about them. But the ones you don't hear about, I'll just read this stat. 82% of ransomware attacks target companies with less than 1,000 employees. 55% hit businesses with fewer than 100 employees. 88% of SMB breaches involved ransomware in 2024 compared to just 39 at larger organizations. So in the last 2 years, hackers have gotten very intelligent and are targeting people, manufacturers that are in that small to mid-market range because they don't have the robust systems. We have answers to these problems, and we have solutions that we can implement very easily. It's a big part of what we do. So if you're having trouble with this kind of stuff, or if you would like to just have a conversation about it, please call. Please call, because what happens is these hackers, they don't just find you and attack you. They infiltrate your system, and they lay dormant for 3 to 6 months while they map out everything. They copy all your data, all your intellectual property and production data, and then freeze everything and attack. We want all you guys surviving and thriving. Please call us today or reach me. I've got all my contact information on here. We'd love to be of service to you and make sure that you can keep doing what you do and succeeding at it at rapid pace with all the technology that is at our fingertips. So thanks for your time today. Look forward to talking soon.